Hey, it's Luke from Arbsession, and today we are going to take a closer look at the DMM XSRE Lock Carabiner. We are showing it here alongside a 14-ounce Arbsession throw weight for size reference. The DMM XSRE is everyone's favorite accessory carabiner, and now it has a screw gate locking option for added security. Made with the same attention to detail as all standard size DMM carabiners, the XSRE Oval Carabiner is a beautiful, high-performance accessory clip that has a functional industrial pedigree, yet crosses over easily into everyday life situations. Widely adopted for non-PPE use on industrial work sites, the XSRE is just as useful on a tree care harness to organize gear as it is clipping keys onto a belt loop. The new screw gate locking version gives increased security when required, perfect when working at height or walking the dog. This tiny carabiner has a symmetrical oval shape and an anti-vibration screw gate for added security. You can find the DMM XSRE Lock Carabiner and many other great tree care products on arbsession.com. We would be honored to have your support. It's our goal to provide you with the best customer service in the entire tree world.